Smoke detectors quietly protect millions of homes, but only if they actually work. A working smoke detector gives you valuable time to escape during a fire. Most smoke detectors include a built-in test button that checks the alarm system. The easiest way to test your detector is by pressing and holding the test button. If the detector produces a loud alarm, its electronics and speaker are working. If nothing happens, the battery or the detector itself may need attention.
Is your detector not responding? Replace the battery immediately to ensure your safety.
Dust can block sensors, so gently clean the detector using a soft brush or vacuum. Experts recommend testing your smoke detectors once every month. Even if it seems fine, replace the battery at least once every year, unless it's a sealed, long-life model. Smoke detectors don't last forever. Most should be replaced after about 10 years. Proper placement also matters. Install detectors on ceilings and away from vents.
Avoid testing with cookings, which may contaminate or damage some detectors.
For a complete sensor test, use an approved smoke detector test spray. The test spray safely simulates smoke without creating a dangerous fire.
When testing, make sure everyone in the home recognizes the alarm sound. Then, practice moving calmly and quickly to your safe outdoor meeting place.
Test every detector individually throughout your home. If your detectors are interconnected, one test should trigger alarms throughout the house. Replace damaged, discolored, or expired smoke detectors immediately.
Regular testing, cleaning, and timely replacement keep your protection reliable.
A few minutes of testing today could save lives during a real emergency. A properly maintained smoke detector is one of the simplest and most effective home safety devices. Test your smoke detectors every month. Stay prepared and keep your home and family safe.